Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play stake in US on your iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you need to know, stake is not fully available in the United States because of US gambling laws. Real money gambling on stake is restricted in most states. But here is what you can do legally. Stake has a free version called stake.us. This version is legal in many US states and works on iPhone. To start, open Safari on your iPhone and go to stake.us. Do not download random apps, always use the official website. Next, create an account. You can sign up with email or social login. Make sure you are 18 or older or whatever age your state requires. Now here is how the money works. Stake.us uses play money, not real cash gambling. You get free coins daily. You can also buy coin package for entertainment. You can play games like slots, dice and crash style games just like regular stake but with legal US rules. When you play set limits, only play what you are okay with losing. This keeps it fun and stress free. Do not try to bypass location rules. Use VPNs or fake locations can get your account banned and may break the law. And that's it. Now you know how stake works in the US. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.